Hey guys, it's Adam, and I'm on leave finally. I'm so excited because I went out to Home Depot and got a really cheap smoker, and I want to put it together and try to make a brisket for my family. They've never had one before. It's not the best smoker, but it was $40, and I want to go buy a nice expensive one. So let's see what we got. All right, so we got this RiverGrille silver Spur water smoker and charcoal grill. Never heard of this company before, but it was the cheapest one they had, and I figure, what the hell, if I can cook on this, I can cook on anything, right? So let's go ahead and open it up and see if there's any pieces that are missing. So I unboxed it all and laid it all out, and I'm gonna go over what everything came with. So this is the base. This is gonna be the container which your precious meat will be in. And it's going to do a burn whenever you first get your smoker because of this stuff right here. They put a preservative in there, and it's very disgusting, and it sticks all the styrofoam to it, and so we want to make sure we get all that off. So there's that. Then we got our lid, which we got to put together. We got some meat racks there. Got the water pan. We got our charcoal bowl with the grate. I might think about modding this a little bit just to have better access to the charcoals whenever they start to die down, so we can just, get to it a lot easier. If you come in here closer, you'll see all these little nifty little things here. We got a little vent for the bullshit, but it feels like it's like aluminum, so whatever the hell that's gonna do. We got some feet here. We got some grate holders and bowl holders right here. We have some nuts. A really thin door, the best plastic handles you could probably buy, and these, we don't need this shit right here, we'll just throw that away. Alright guys, so what I started with doing is I put the feet on the way that's supposed to be, and the purpose of this is to hold the charcoal basket on the inside. Let me just show you, like that, so it's above the ground if you want to look in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, so it just holds it like that. It's very simple. But the thing I want to do is perhaps maybe I can switch the feet around so that way the bowl will sit on the ground, so I just lift this whole thing up and put the charcoal in. But I want to try something first before I do that. I want to see if maybe I just sit on top. It's not looking like it's going to. Well, maybe. Actually, you know what? It'll work just like that. I think it'll work. Boom. And then I'm going to put more charcoal in. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like we're good to go to make it the actual way you're intended to. I'm just not going to use it like that because I don't feel like it. Oh hey, sorry I didn't see you there. We're done, as you can tell. Come on in and let me give you a nice little tour of what we got. So, top down, we got our meat grate here. And we got a secondary meat grate if you want it. This is the water pan. See how it sits atop? The charcoal pan. Now I said before that I was gonna put it on the bottom so that this charcoal pan's sitting on the ground, but I might as well just give it a try because I mean this door right here, I mean it does look shitty, and it is, but we'll give it a try. So we'll go ahead and use it what it's for, and yeah. So next is gonna be the burn and get all the crappy shit out of here. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna season it. I'm using Pam. It's the only thing we got, and it'll do fine. So what you want to do is you want to get a good distance, make sure you're out of the wind, and just spray the ever-loving shit out of it. Because this baby's going to get all nice, seasoned, and delicious. There's that one. That one's done. Over here. If you guys can't tell, it's really fucking cold. Get all the, you want to get the whole thing. This one's cooked here. Oh yeah, that works. Now you really want to use a higher temp oil, like canola oil, but this will work fine. It's not going to be anything too fancy. Get all in there. This is gonna make a nice coloring. It's gonna help get all the nasty chemicals. Don't worry about that because that's charcoal grade. We don't care about that. Alright, and last but not least, just want to get in here, spray everything. Sorry I'm using all your pan. And that's it. Alright, now we're gonna get some charcoal laid up and good to go. Okay guys, so we're back and we're seasoning the smoker, so now I'm gonna throw some wood on to get that smoke rolling and see what happens. Got some cheap chunk wood. It's apple wood. It's pretty good. It's a very mild smoke. This door is kind of a pain in the ass, but there's one more in the back there. There we go. And then that's it.